Hi guys, Muaz here. Welcome to K2M Unboxing and Reviews. Today we have a dinosaur. The name of the dinosaur is Indominus Rex. It's gray. And here's the front. Here's the back. And look, this can happen. Okay, now let's open it. Now we opened it, okay? Now look what happens when I press this button. And then another one. Okay, and then another button you can do this. Grab. And you can move these legs. And you can make this up when you gotta push the tail. And if you want to make it down, do this. And the head moves. And if you want to make it down, just do this. Here. Thank you for watching the video. Please like our video, remember to subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon. Bye!